Me and my friend Sif recently did the classic art YouTuber challenge of drawing Pokemon from memory. The problem is neither of us can visualize or rotate apples in our minds, and this is generally harder than you expect, no matter how big a Pokemon fan you think you are. And some of these Pokemon do not look right. But we're starting off with Swinub. Swinub, do you know this Pokemon?
Is it the pig?
Kind of.
I'll try. I'll try my best.
Me too. Okay. Do you want to go?
Why don't we start with something easy?
It's all
no.
hard.
I don't think I know what this guy looks like.
That's valid. I peeked a little at yours and that's the wrong Pokemon.
Is there an issue? Do you know which one I'm thinking of?
I know what you're thinking of. Yeah, it's the tail that it bounces on.
Ah, so it is a Pokemon.
It is a Pokemon, yeah, that's for sure.
Oh, it's that one!
Yeah.
Oh, yours is so cute!
Oh, thanks. I'm gonna pull up a picture of the actual Pokemon, because now I'm curious. I knew he had something else going. He's not just nothing. He does have these little brown patterns. Nosepass?
Oh, okay,
I know,
sure.
I know Nosepass.
You like Nosepass? Here you go.
I don't believe you.
Oh!
See...
Wait, you're good at this!
Let's pull up the actual Pokemon before we say that. Oh my god, I was thinking of the evolution.
Why am I making so big? Oh! I drew a whole human nose.
And mine's just a brick. Also, can I show you the evolution? Because I feel like that one, that's what I was remembering.
Yeah, show me.
I was thinking of this guy.
Thank you for pulling out the Pokemon, by the way.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I never seen this guy in my whole life.
His name's Probopass.
Oh, I don't know if I like that name.
Me neither. I don't think I like either of them. Executor? One of my favorites.
Executor?
One of my personal favorites. I'm actually pretty confident about this one. You definitely made the Alolan one.
Oh! I forgot he was chunky. I just thought he was shorter.
Vaporeon. I don't...
Sure?
I am not too confident about this one.
Me neither. I am not good at drawing dog-like things.
Me neither. They're kind of like horses.
Yeah, like I don't really know where the bends in the legs go.
Well, mine got like a Bart Simpson kind of vibe going on.
It does look like a Family Guy character.
Yeah, I don't know what happened.
Oh, wait.
You're kind of close.
I'm not. I'm like... It's like in the right direction.
Yeah, you have the cone of shame, which I think is more important.
Yeah, the cone of shame.
Also, the body is better. Mine is... I don't know what happened. Are we doing Lucario?
Sure.
So I actually had to draw Lucario like a week or so ago, and from memory, and it turned out absolutely horrible, and I don't think I learned anything from that.
Oh. He has a lot of things going on.
He has a lot of shit going on. He's practically a Digimon.
Wait, so cute!
Yours is like actually accurate though, I think. When I look at this, I see the ears, or the hair, the ear hairs. I think they look like that. Also, I think the snout is more accurate.
I think the head is pretty good on mine, but like the rest of it is...
I think you nailed the head.
A quick Gengar.
Quick Gengar. I'd like to believe that I know how to draw a good Gengar.
I must know how to draw a good Gengar.
He's so friend-shaped, you know?
Yeah. Does he have straight teeth or spiky
I'm
teeth?
not telling you.
Cute.
Oh shit. Yours is so good. He has red eyes? Oh my god, he does.
I think his pre-evolutions have white eyes.
They do. Wow. Also, he has straight teeth. You're right. Wow, I'm the idiot. I was like, I'm not telling you he has fucking sharp teeth. Yeah, you win. You
That's
win.
just human teeth.
Necrozma, are you fucking crazy?
Necrozma, I do not even know. Can you give me a theme?
They look like a fucking transformer.
Oh, okay.
Give me one of them fucked up Pokemon. On a fucked up one.
Oh, I've never seen this in my entire life.
So cool.
It's cool.
I think I got him and Golisopod combined in my brain.
Ah,
They do both look like Digimon.
that's really cool. Yeah.
But that's fine because I love Digimon. Bulbasaur.
You want to draw Bulbasaur?
Sure. I got a cat in my lap now and he's really fat.
What's his name?
Bishop?
Bishop? This is a good name.
Pretty good name.
Very cute.
I think they're both pretty accurate. He has red eyes?
I didn't remember that.
Either.
I think we were both pretty close.
Yeah.
Mine looks like it got stepped on a little bit, but still happy about it. These are dittos, actually. You can't prove that. We could try Mime Jr., but I don't think I remember either.
We could try, sure. Actually, it came to me like a fucking vision from an angry god. I know what Mime Jr. looks like.
Oh my god.
You know, I don't think I'm getting the colors right, but I think I'm getting the, like, the pervert vibe going.
Let me zoom out.
That's so good.
Oh, wait, he does have the nose.
Yeah, it's a clown.
I had the nose and then I let myself doubt.
Oh.
I should have kept the nose.
I got the color scheme completely wrong. Well, like, it's the shape, you know?
I think you got the color scheme like kind of okay, but it's just the values are a bit off.
Yeah.
Pikachu is like, I feel like he is deceptively difficult.
I think so too, because he's so iconic.
Hi, I'm Pikachu. Wow.
Is that his voice?
Yeah.
You're so good at voice acting.
Aw, thanks.
Oh my god, you're so cute! What the hell?
Cheeks! No! I was thinking of the
The
cheeks.
cheeks, dude.
I'm adding the cheeks afterwards.
Also, the tail, now I'm unsure if the tail has no color. Wow,
Psyduck
the
can-
tail is not colored the way I did it. Also, he has no belly. What the fuck?
I did forget the cheeks, so I think it's like a middle ground
Yeah.
between these two.
Yours is so cute.
It's a bit bottom heavy. Right, should get the belly? I think so, yeah.
Mm.
If CB added the cheeks, hers will be the most accurate, yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, Psyduck.
Psyduck also has a bit of pervert energy.
What? What are you saying? What makes you say that?
I just have a vague memory of in the anime that he gets like drunk once. In the anime, I do remember having pervert eyes and blushing. That's what I'm saying! I don't remember when or how. But he does get pervert eyes at some point. Oh shit. I think actually yours is more correct.
Yours look like a cartoon again. Like a Western
Fucking
cartoon.
Family Guy. I was so confident. I will say, mine does have hair.
Actually? Yeah, yours does have hair. Also, we both got the beak wrong.
You're looking at this and you telling me that's not a pervert?
You're calling me drawing a pervert?
Yeah.
No, I disagree.
You ever get drunk? Oh my god.
Does he?
So drunk.
We could do Venonat if I get a hint. And I'll just draw it based on the hint. That's good?
Yeah. I think I can do a pretty good Venonat.
Round and purple.
It also looks Family Guy-ified though.
Do you like Family Guy?
I love Family Guy. Oh dude, when the... Dude, I love your... Dude, that should be the baby form.
Oh,
That should be the baby form. That's so cute.
it's just a blob. Okay, I do know this Pokemon. You did nail it. As far as I know.
Oh,
I guess it's so cute.
The colors are off, but also the hands have a color. But
Not too often.
not too off. That's pretty good.
I have like a vague
I can
idea.
I can visualize them in my mind, but it's like a blur.
Oh. The fuck does this Pokemon look like?
It's some shit like this, I think. I love Snom. I don't know what they look like. Like I know what they look like, but I can't picture it. I can't draw it. It's like when you're trying to draw a car or a bike. This is like, I've seen a million of these, but what do they look like?
Oh my god. The more I color, the more I'm like, this is not... I'm making it worse.
Oh, your Snom is so accurate. Oh my god, oh my god. He does have the butt face.
Right? I was like, this feels inappropriate.
Yeah.
But I feel like it's correct.
I want to say my Deoxys is more accurate, but I don't know. You got the head way closer. How do I...
I don't know about Deoxys.
Supposed to be
but-
DNA. Oh, I thought it was like a bicycle.
But I definitely got the Snom.
Yeah, you did. Is that the cat or is it the guy that stands upright?
Cats?
Both are correct. Cat that stands up, then I know who it is.
Oh, do I know who it is? Oh.
Oh my god.
I do think I got the vibe of it more.
Yeah, no, for sure.
Even though everything else is wrong. Magikarp.
In my mind, I got a pretty good idea what a Magikarp looks like, but in reality, who knows?
I feel like mean drawing this.
It's okay, they don't understand. I don't think they have self-actualization.
Oh, wait. I think yours is pretty good. I think it does have those whiskers.
I think it does have whiskers, I'm pretty sure. I wouldn't say either is very accurate, but...
I think a lot of these, like if we combined ours,
yeah.
we would have gotten like a pretty good result.
Yeah.
Kanban?
I don't know who that is.
Isn't that the one Kaza likes?
I don't know. I don't know who that is. I have no idea.
Oh, it's the unreleased one. It's a new one.
Doesn't count. Do that one if you want.
I'm thinking like, wow, I think I can do a Kanban. It's just, I mean, with this dog, you can't even see the legs properly. It's fine.
Yeah.
Oh, he does have
Oh, he
ears.
does have a little yellow spot at the nose too. And ears, yeah.
Yeah. I thought his whole body was just a fluff.
Me too. You know what? You got the tongue out, so I think you win.
I think it's a tie. Cloyster?
Cloyster, I like Cloyster.
Okay, let's try Cloyster. I always go into these really confident and then just realizing I do not know what these look like.
I know, because you have like, oh yes, of course I know what it looks like, but then you like actually start drawing and you're like, wait, kind of
I
like
do not know.
human anatomy.
Oh! Is that Cloyster?
I think so. I think you do Shelter.
It is Shelter. It came out as squishable. Tim's just accurate. Yeah, I thought it was a completely different
Yeah, yours are amazing. I love them.
Pokemon.
He has a big horn in the center and he has two
Ah.
shells. Right.
He does have red eyes. Yours is definitely correct.
Little bit. Marginally more.
How does Shelter look like?
Like yours.
Let me look it up. Right?
Yeah. Like one to
Yeah,
one.
it is basically that.
Yeah.
Celebi? We could do Arceus.
Because I think
should
I have
remember.
a big idea what Arceus.
I think you have a better idea than me.
You wrote it down
Hi,
and you don't know.
Minalyn. No, Tim.
That's awesome.
I can look at an image of like a Pokemon, and then if you take the picture away, I will not know what it looks like.
Me too.
I'm going like skinny horse.
I actually don't have a fucking clue what Arceus looks like. Oh god.
I thought you were confident.
I dude, for a second I was like, yeah. This is horrible.
Oh my god. This is stressing me out.
This is fucking off. This is the worst one so far. I don't know. Okay. Well, I'm ready. I want to say yours is more accurate, but I honestly couldn't tell you.
I do not know.
That is such a cool design. I can't believe I messed it up that bad.
That is such a cool design.
Wow. I want to say yours is closer just because the neck, and like the overall shape,
You have the black in it though.
and the tail, kind of.
I don't think any of us.
No, I don't think either of these are
like
very accurate.
either of us. Yeah.
I like yours though.
All right. In that case, I shall hop off.
Thank you for hanging out. Thank you
I
for
will be.
drawing.
Thank you. Thank you for collabing again. I'll be back on
Anytime.
Thursday for stream.
Next time we should do like an actual drawing.
Yeah, let's do that next time.
Yeah. And with that quote-unquote Arceus out of the way, we are done, and here's all our finished Pokemon. Some accurate, some not so much. Thank you for watching. This whole challenge was streamed live on my Twitch channel, as well as Sifs' perspective on their Twitch channel. Hope to see you there, and please subscribe here on YouTube as well.